Wheels and castors. Without them, this wouldn't be turning. Not this, or that one, and certainly not this either. From intralogistics, through conveyor technology, and mechanical and plant engineering, all the way to mobile devices. Wheels and castors keep the world in motion. Blickle develops and produces these wheels and castors. This means we set the world in motion. Innovation, ingenuity, and our passion for the circle have driven us every day since 1953. And as a family business in its third generation. With a team of around 1,300 highly qualified employees, including 900 at the headquarters in Rosenfeld, we are working on this with concentrated expertise to help drive the progress of our customers. We have made it our mission to develop and manufacture the best wheel, the best caster. From very small to really big, from very cold to extremely hot, from fast-moving to slowly working. In short, we produce countless wheels and casters. There are 30,000 in our standard range alone. And should it be something special, then our engineers will develop a customized solution. We develop over 1,000 customized solutions per year. We are the manufacturer of our wheels and casters with a high level of vertical integration in-house. We produce using standardized, highly automated processes in state-of-the-art facilities in combination with individual production technology. From our own tool shop, through steel forming and welding, to automated production and flexible assembly. Whether made of rubber, nylon or polyurethane, at Blickle everything comes from a single source. Seamless quality management is important to us. In our globally unique test laboratory, we use state-of-the-art testing systems to ensure our top quality by putting our products through their paces under the toughest application conditions. For 100% Blickle quality. All this happens at Blickle in the southwest of Germany, on over 120,000 square meters in the world's largest wheel and caster production facility. Sustainable, made in Germany for the whole world. As the global market leader with over 20 international sales companies in 120 countries, we ensure that our customers' wheels keep turning. Thanks to our state-of-the-art warehouse and logistics system, we can ensure quick availability of our products worldwide. A strong relationship and high engagement with our customers is very important to us, on site, virtually, or in our Blickle Customer Experience Center, where our customers can experience our products firsthand. So why Blickle? Because we are the best partner for you, for your product, for your success. Blickle. We innovate mobility.